When God reveals something, there must be a transformative power. Sila'y nagulat. Nagulat sila sa kanila nakita and totally right then, anong desisyon nila? Hindi na po nila tinapos yung kanilang kinakain, hindi na nila pinagpatuloy yung kanilang kinakain. Sabi nila kagad, halika, bumalik tayo sa Jerusalem. Yung lakad nila palayo sa Jerusalem, naging lakad pabalik sa Jerusalem. Transformative power of the risen Lord. It allows you to go back to Jerusalem, the place where He has been crucified, the place where the disciple is. Transformation allows us to go back to the place of faith. That transformation allowed them to spread the good news. That transformation allowed them to testify and to have a testimony that they have seen Christ. It allows them to testify na sinasabi nila, totoo nga, ang Diyos ay nabuhay. That transformation allow you to speak out, to shout out to God that God is risen. Yung panahon ngayon, ang ninanais ng Panginoon, yung transformation din natin na nakita sa atin. If God really transform your heart and our heart, then we can go out and shout out that God is risen.